Hi guys, we are going to make a army selection Unity demo like this where you can select your army and then move based on mouse click, and it's based on the free asset I created. So let's start. Controlling army. So let's create a plane. Object plane. So here's we have plane in our scene. Let's make it more wide. So let's put our camera in the perfect position. So for that I will create a virtual camera, simulation virtual camera. So you see, yeah, our camera in position. I can delete that so that I don't want to keep virtual camera in. So you see, we have the camera here, and now let's create the nav mesh. K10K surface and end component. Yeah, here's nav mesh surface and bake it. So we have our nav mesh ready. So our tutorial is to make select in here. So for that I'll go to selecting UI and drag the prefab. So now if we run, you can see we can select prefab. So how to will select? We will create cubes. So 3D object, create a cube, and cube is not selectable, so let's create material. Create material and make it red. So yeah, let's play here. So right now see, we can draw, but cube is not being selected. So for that we need to add a script here. Go to scripts and in cube add selectable object. Let's run. So see, we can select there, but yeah, let's make the selecting height little bigger. So I'll prefer green for selection. Let's make it little wider. It's better. 9.8 or 10. So here's the outline script. Make it 10 and make it green. So what do we want? We want after selecting we will able to move it. So for that we need to create a script, our custom script. So let's create a script. Give it name animal. Yeah, this opened. Take it inside a namespace. You don't need to take it inside namespace, but yeah, I am going to take it outside dot demo. So right now from here we start, make it selectable object. So we'll need agent, required component, nav mesh agent for move. So public override, we will override on selected and public override on deselected. We will create a bool selected equal to false. So if selected is true, otherwise selected equal to false. Update. if selected, so we have to recast to get the position of mouse click. For that we can use ChatGPT. Okay, we take mouse click on keyboard. So see, we got this. Camera dot main. We'll set the position and target. So we'll create agent, and then agent enter. So what we will do, agent destination, we will hit download. Okay, now we are ready. So this is it. So let's drag. So it's now moving with mouse, but we want to move it with mouse click. So let's go in the army menu script, and here let's add, sorry, and input dot get mouse button down 0. Yeah, so that's it. Now it can select and move, and again if we do, we unselect, we select, but here we are talking about moving an army. So let's make it more and more. We can create more, but let's try with them.